So are you getting ready to go to your dental appointment and you're just curious on what to expect? Well, my name is Michelle and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm going to explain to you on what you should expect when you go see your dentist. Pretty much it always depends on the office policy, but 9 times out of 10 for your first visit you should at least expect them to take X-rays. Also, you would need to, there's a couple different types of X-rays that they might want to take. They might want to take what we call as 4 bite wing X-rays, and these X-rays are great because it determines and it shows you if you have any cavities in between your teeth. Then the doctor will definitely do his thorough exam with his mirror and explorer. The explorer will kind of dig around in your teeth, kind of catch and determine if you have any cavities. If the little explorer, if it gets stuck in the pits and fissures of your teeth, that's usually a good sign that you have a cavity. So therefore, and then also, too, depending on your office policy, they might want to give you a good thorough cleaning and then address the cavities that you might have. So the main things really to expect are X-rays, a doctor's exam, and a cleaning for your first initial visit. Once again, my name is Michelle. I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I just explained to you on what you should expect at your dental visit.